Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we practice some important bits related to the topic tenses from the English grammar. Water dash at 100 degrees centigrade. Choose the correct form of the verb. Answer: boils. The train dashed before we reached the station. Choose the correct form of the verb that fits in the blank. Answer: is leaving. I dashed that film before. Choose the correct form of the verb that fits in the blank. Answer: have seen. The dash in this college since 1995. Choose the correct form of the verb. Answer: have been working. India dash independent in 1947. Choose the correct form of verb that fits in the blank. Answer: became. I dashed to the radio when he came in. Choose the correct form of the verb. Answer: was listening. I dash coffee after I dash my teeth. Choose the correct form of the verbs. Answer: drank coffee, had brushed. She dashed new cycle next week. Choose the correct form of the verb. Answer: will buy. They dash the exam at 10 o'clock next Sunday. Answer: they will be writing the exam. By the end of the month, I dash the work. Choose the correct form of the verb that fits in the blank. Answer: will have finished. How can you dash that? Choose the correct form of the verb that fits in the blank. Answer: say. The patient had died before the doctor dash. Choose the correct form of the verb that fits in the blank. Answer: arrived. Raman dashed his discovery on March 16, 1928. Choose the correct form of the verb that fits in the blank. Answer: announced. I shall have dashed this novel by the end of next week. Choose the correct form of the verb that fits in the blank. Answer: read. Ashok is doing his homework now. He usually dash it at night. Choose the correct form of the verb that fits in the blank. Answer: does. What dash yesterday? Choose the correct verb and subject that fit in the blank. Answer: did you do? I shall give her the message as soon as I dash her. Answer: C. They dash the bridge by next week. Choose the correct form of the verb that fits in the blank. Answer: will have repaired. I dash this letter at once. Choose the correct form of the verb that fits in the blank. Answer: will post. Raman dashed to the Royal Society of London in 1924. Choose the correct form of the verb that fits in the blank. Answer: was elected. She dashed for my advice. Choose the correct form of the verb. Answer: does not care. If he had not taken a taxi, he dashed the train. Choose the correct form of the verb. Answer: would have missed. Don't disturb the boy. He dashed his homework. Choose the correct verb form. Answer: is doing. Aruna dash a lesson now. Choose the correct verb form. Answer: is learning. Hindi dash in many parts of India. Choose the correct verb form. Answer: is spoken. The train dashed the platform an hour ago. Choose the correct verb form. Answer left. If you run, the police dash you. Choose the correct verb form. Answer will suspect. The peon dash the bell every day. Choose the correct verb form. Answer rings. I dashed the game just now. Choose the correct verb form. Answer have played. He dashed the letter by tomorrow. Choose the correct form of the verb. Answer will have posted. I dashed from fever for 4 days. Answer was suffered. He has dashed his case to my satisfaction. Choose the correct verb form. Answer proved. I have dash of a plan. Choose the correct verb form. Answer thought. When I dashed the road, I saw an accident. Choose the correct form of the verb. Answer was crossing. She dashed letter yet. Which of the following is a correct verb form? Answer has not written. He dash a house by next year. Choose the correct verb form. Answer will have built. Lata dash a lot of problems. I am sorry to see tears on her lovely face. Choose the correct verb form. Answer is facing. They dash with each other when the police dash. Choose the correct forms of the verb. Answer were fighting. Arrived. When Rajesh dash, he dashed down and dash his leg. Choose the correct verb forms. Answer was running, fell down, injured his leg. While he dashed, it dashed to rain. Choose the correct verb forms. Answer was playing, began. The children dash a film when the lights dash off. Answer were watching, went. My mother was dash when the guests dash. Choose the correct verb forms. Answer was still cooking, arrived. The teacher dash when the principal dash the room. Choose the correct word forms. Answer was teaching, entered. Father dashed the TV when the telephone bell dash. Choose the correct form of the verbs. Answer was watching, rang. We dash ready for our journey when the power dash off. Choose the correct verb forms. Answer were getting, went. I dashed the Prime Minister yesterday. Choose the correct verb form. Answer saw. Honesty is dash on her face. Answer written. He dashed out 5 minutes ago. Choose the correct verb form. Answer went. The patient dash before the doctor came. Choose the correct verb form. Answer had died. Listen, somebody dash at the door. Answer is knocking. Thank you for watching our videos. To get a notification of our further videos, make sure to subscribe our channel.